Hi guys! Today we're going to make egg bread.
What is your egg bread? Your? Is it your favorite?
Yes! My favorite egg bread!
What are the ingredients? So what do you need to make an egg bread?
Um,
You need to have
butter.
butter. What else? What's that? What's this?
Egg.
And then
3 eggs.
3 eggs. And then what else?
And bread.
And bread. Okay. So right now, what is Tita doing?
Egg bread.
I know, but what is she doing at the moment? She puts in the butter
Oh,
in the pan.
she didn't forget the salt.
Oh, she didn't forget the salt. Okay, that's good. Okay, so what are these? These are seasoning.
Seasoning.
So what's that? Can you read that? Can you read the label? What does it say? What does it say?
This ends on
Read what's on the label. What does it say? Read it. What does it say? What? It says, oh, oh, read it. On the on.
on
What's that? Read it together. Powder. Yeah, I know what was. It's an onion powder. It's an onion powder.
and
So right now,
this is salt.
yeah, which one is salt? Oh, that's salt. Okay. So Tita, what's Tita doing now? So what is Tita doing now?
Oh, the rest, the, the butter didn't melt yet.
Now, kids,
Oh no, the butter is melting.
the butter is melting.
She didn't put egg yet.
Okay. So what is that?
For seafood.
It's what? For the soup? We don't need soup for the egg bread, right?
Egg.
For the eggs, no, that's too small. So first, she toasted the bread. And together with the bread, she...
Why-
The bread that
why
we're
she-
using right now,
Why she
Is-
need this one?
gardenias.
Why she need this one?
Oh, that's for the taste. So it would be very tasty.
And this is salt because it's so yummy. And the 100 million chilies
What? 100 million chilies are
are spicy.
spicy. Where are they?
Here.
It's over there. Okay.
And
Do you like chilies?
and Tita Joanne, cellphone mo yun. And Tito Alan, cellphone mo yun.
Yep.
Bakit nag-cellphone doon? Or
Siyempre.
nag-fly lang yung cellphone mo?
Yan, nag-fly lang siya.
No, no, no. Grocery kayo?
Yep.
Ayoko sumama kasi wala akong mask.
Correct. And anong meron sa labas?
Ang COVID-19.
Correct.
But yung open mo yung door,
Mm-hmm.
yung open mo yung window, one, papasok yung COVID-19.
Pumasok yung COVID-19. Masyadong mataas para pumasok yung COVID-19.
I baking cake just now. But okay. Why
Alright, so
did you
it's
give
done.
it to popping.
What? The cake.
A few moments later.
It's his birthday, right? So we gave the cake to your puppy. We soak with the bread. Wow. Watch and learn.
Heard na yung teeth ko.
Tired na? Paano nga yung video mo? Yung interview mo po, oh. Yung mga fans mo.
Why look like the white is visible.
Why is
She's
it
not
visible?
there.
She's not there.
But I can see the white.
Hoy. Hindi nakalakot ka tama ba?
The white, I can see the white. The white.
This one is mozzarella.
What is that?
Mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella. Chun chun chun.
Kaya mo ba di ba? Cream cheese?
Saan mo ito?
Kaya kanya kalta itong cream cheese.
Alam ko.
Boom. Nice. Yep. Smile. Pikit.
Let's eat and see you next time. You look good. So, what's on the